in this video, we are going to explain how to hide your VPN IP address. Now, here's the thing, guys. When you're using a VPN, you're literally hiding your original, your actual IP address because you're using a different one, right? So you really don't need to worry about your IP, your personal, your private IP address being leaked or being accessed because again, you're using a VPN. So right now we have Surfshark here. Surfshark has a couple of things you can do. You can go with a static IP. You can have a dedicated IP, or better yet, you can actually have an alternative ID, which protect your identity with an alias, so create credentials and generate an alternative email address for. So you have everything here that you can have, and this isn't just Surfshark. This is most VPN that provides their service. So again, you really can't hide your quote unquote VPN ID. And as you can see here, this is our IP address, right? And if I go to Hong Kong, it's going to connect to a different one, right? There you go. So why am I showing my VPN? Because my actual IP address, because it doesn't really matter, because I could just reset it and I have a different one, right? So again, pretty much it's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.